Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if you have pending Robux. Now, before I start the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Roblox app, and from there you want to tap on the top right on the Robux icon. But basically here you can see anything. So as you can see, balance is 0 Robux and you can only buy them. So what you want to do is go to Safari, type in roblox.com, then you want to make sure that you click on continue in browser, and from there again click on the top right on the Robux icon and then click on transactions. Now here you will see a summary and your past 30 days, but since I don't have any incoming pending Robux, here's how it's going to look like. So again, you must go to summary past 30 days and you will have this section pending Robux, and on the right side you will see how many are there needs to come to your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.